Welcome to Investor Expert, your trusted source for smarter, faster, and future-proof finance. Today's video is all about saving for your first home and how you can do it faster than you ever thought possible. Whether you're dreaming of your own apartment or a family home, this guide is for you. Let's start with the truth. Buying a home isn't just about saving more, it's about saving smarter. Step 1 is to set a specific goal. Don't just say, I want to buy a house. Say, I want to buy a $250,000 home in the next 2 years. That gives you a real number and a timeline to reverse engineer your savings. Next, understand what you'll actually need. It's not just the down payment. You've also got to consider closing costs, moving expenses, inspection fees, and maybe even renovation costs. For most first-time buyers, aiming for a 10 to 20% down payment is a smart target, but there are low down payment options available if you qualify. Now let's talk moving. Start by creating a dedicated house fund account, separate from your emergency or spending money. Automate a fixed transfer every month or even every paycheck. This way, your savings grow in the background without relying on discipline alone. To speed things up, identify unnecessary spending and cut it with intention. No, you don't need to give up everything, but small cuts in subscriptions, impulse purchases, or eating out can add up. Remember, every dollar saved is a step closer to your keys. Now, here's where the game really changes. Find a side income stream. Whether it's freelancing, selling digital products, or part-time gigs, channel 100% of that income into your house fund. Even an extra $500 a month puts you $6,000 closer in a year. That's powerful. Also, park your savings where it grows. Don't just use a regular savings account. Look into high-yield savings accounts, money market funds, or short-term low-risk investments. The goal is safety and growth. And one more pro tip. Look into first-time home buyer assistance programs in your area. Many offer grants, favorable loans, or matched savings that can boost your buying power significantly, but they're often underused because people don't know they exist. Bottom line, with a clear goal, smart systems, and a little hustle, you can get into your first home much faster than you think. So if you're serious about buying property in the next year or two, start today. Small, consistent action beats waiting for the perfect time. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to Investor Expert and hit the bell icon, because your future home is closer than it feels, and we're here to help you get there.